Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. In this video, I will show you how to create an organigram in your PowerPoint by different way. I will show you step by step, and also I will show you how to use a graphic organigram if you have it. Sometimes you don't need to create it. You have a graphic file that contains an organigram. You have received it from your boss or anything else, and you want to play with this organigram. You want to animate it. I will show you how to animate, put good animation with this organigram without creating it step by step. So let's start. This simple organigram. So I will delete this one. Here I will go to the Google to show you an example of organigram. So Google, and here I will create organigram. I will choose for organigram, and there are a lot of type. So I have downloaded one of them. Of course, I will not use it, just to show you how to make it, because it is with copyrighted, so I can't let them. So here is different organigram. The example, of course, you can create what you want. Now I have downloaded one of them, so you close this one, and I will insert this image. Before to use this image. How to create it? You can go from insert, and here you have the shape, and you put, for example, on the corners, and you put like this one as you want. And here you will use from this shape, you can use the connectors as I made before. So you can make insert shape, what is it? Shape and line, and you put something like this. Okay, etc. etc. It is one way to create your organigram. The second way, how to do this? You make the insert, and here you will go to the smart art, and here you have hierarchy. You see hierarchy, and you have a lot of model. You can choose what you want. You can change the color, etc., etc., and you do what you want. Okay, this is the second way. But the third way that I will use here, I have an image that contains an organigram, and I want to animate it and to play with this image in my PowerPoint. So I will insert this image, resource, and I will take, for example, this one. Good. And now, what I will do here? It is the first part of organigram. Okay, so I just insert blank here, because there's escape copyright, like this. Oops, like this, and without outline. Oops, sorry. Outline. Good. And now I will talk about this organigram step by step by using this image. How I will do this, you will see. It's an amazing, something that is very amazing. So I will create another slide. Same thing. The first one I let it like this. It is my organigram, and when I go to the second slide here, I will crop the image. So picture format, and go to the crop. Here I will use, for example, I want to talk just to this part of my organigram. I mean, only this part of my organigram, only this one. I can put it like this, I can reduce, no problem, like this. Okay, crop, good. Now I can put it from here, and I can add it, for example, another shape to make something like this. You will see why, huh? And I put it in the white color without outline, Good. The next step is very, very important. It is the animation. So just put it in the middle like this. The next step is the animation. Which animation I will use here? Here I will not use animation from the simple animation. I will use transition directly, and it is new feature. It is called morph. So in this slide I will use morph like this. Do you see? Now if I play my organigram, I come from here, I make the preview. Here is my organigram. Now I will talk about the first part like this. Do you see how it is beautiful? And I will continue. So I will create another slide, but here I will talk, for example, from this part, the red part here. So let's put it from here, and again Ctrl D, and here I will make another crop, picture format crop, and I will talk about this red. So let's, let's take this one, good, yeah, like this, and here I will make, don't worry what I will make, so crop, good, something like this, and now I can insert my shape to hide this part. It is a trick, you can use it to animate your organigram, very simple. So here I will use this shape like this. Oops. Of course I will put it in the blank, in the white, without outline, always. And here if I make the, for example, edit point one, no, put it like this, no, I see very well this, and here is one, oops, no, I think I will see it, so let's put another point here, maybe point, no, sorry, I just try to hide this part of image. This one is very near, I have chosen not what I think the point. Now maybe I will add another one. I will see if I can do it or no, if it works or no. Insert shape, tag, and tag like this, and here same thing, white, and without outline. Now I will make a transition. Remember, morph here, and also morph from here. It's very important. Okay, do you see? So let's check again our presentation from here. Here is our main organigram. I will talk about this part. When I finish, I will come back to my organigram, the full organigram, and now I will talk about this part. And do you see the morph, how it plays? It's very, very powerful, but there is something that's very, very important. The morph play with separated object. What I mean, here if I have this object, I have three. If I group them like this, I have only one image. Okay, like this, put it here. Now if I come back, look, I will go to the next one. Do you see? I don't see the morph transition. Why? Because the objects are not separated. Morph works only with separated object, from one object to another object, to make a relation between them. So I just make ungroup to get my transition in my organigram. So here is how I animate the organigram. If you have graphic design, graphic file that is ready, you want to create it from scratch, you can use this technique, this trick, just by using shape, crop your image, and also using the new transition. It is called morph. in PowerPoint. So I hope that you have liked this video about organigram and morph transition. I will start a new chapter, inshallah, in this video. This one has finished about inspiration. All this video it's about inspiration. So we start a new chapter, inshallah. And practice. Remember, practice to see if you have an error, or to see the good presentation that you want to get. But you must practice. Maybe we got an error, not a bug, but not get the desired presentation. By practicing, we got the pretty presentation, inshallah. So follow me on Instagram, tips.winners for motivational code, facebook.checo for graphic and food, and also subscribe to my channel, faisal.azib. Like this video, share to your friends. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.